do we want you to run for the school board? And I said, well, what do you guys have to support candidates? It's tough running. And I knew this because my father had run for state assembly. My mother had run for state assembly. They're both Republicans. So I grew up in a very political family. Okay. And I knew that it took more than just the will. It's the will, but it's also the way. And the way that you get to elected office is really quite difficult in the United States of America because it requires a tremendous amount of capital, of money. And I talked to my father about it, and my father was very blunt about it. He said, Gina, teachers' unions are quite powerful. And they're powerful to do good. They're there to really protect the children. That's their special interest. So if they're interested in having a teacher who they know will protect children on the board, they have to talk to you about what they're offering. And what that meant was, do they have volunteers? Do they have boots on the ground who are going to knock on doors, who are going to make those calls, who are going to write postcards? Do they have the money to do mailers? Are they going to be able to do text messaging? And that's exactly what I asked the teachers. They're called the Ocean View Teachers Association. What I asked them to do, I said, these are the conditions that I will run in. I said, if I'm going to do this, I need your help, ladies. The Ocean View teachers, I said, I need your help. And they were like, we're in, we're all in. And I ran and I won and I took out the president of the school board, a very notorious right-wing libertarian. I knocked on hundreds of doors, if not like 1,000 doors, with my baby in the carriage, my other guy holding my hand, and the teachers and we were just roving for months. And I talked to so many voters and so many parents, and they're like, you're one of us. We want a school board that has parents on it. And to this day, I still have a kid in the district.